Captain Amelia Davis checked her aircraft one last time. The sun beat down, but dark clouds loomed on the horizon. The air crackled with anticipation. A powerful storm was coming. Amelia, a pilot with years of experience, felt a familiar tremor of excitement. This was no ordinary flight. Amelia was tasked with flying a vital medical cargo through the heart of the brewing storm. Failure was not an option. Lives depended on her skill and courage. With a deep breath, Amelia climbed into the cockpit. The air was thick with the smell of rain and aviation fuel. She was ready. Amelia meticulously reviewed the flight plan. Every detail mattered. Years of training had honed her instincts and prepared her for this moment. She knew the dangers of flying in such conditions, but fear had no place in her cockpit. Confidence and focus were her co-pilots. Amelia completed her pre-flight checks with practiced ease. Each instrument was her ally, providing vital information in the battle against the elements. She spoke to the control tower, her voice calm and steady. This was her domain. She was ready to take on the sky. The moment the wheels left the ground, the wind hit. The small plane bucked and swayed, a delicate bird caught in a hurricane. Amelia wrestled with the controls, her movements precise and measured. Sweat beaded on her brow, but her focus never wavered. She would not be deterred. Lightning flashed, momentarily illuminating the churning clouds around her. The plane shuddered under the assault of the wind. But Amelia was not just flying the plane, she was dancing with it. Every gust, every drop in altitude was a challenge she met with unwavering determination. Time blurred into an intense ballet of skill and instinct. Amelia rode the waves of the storm, her courage tested with each passing moment. She had faced storms before, but none as fierce as this. Yet in the heart of the tempest, a strange calm settled over her. She was one with the wind and the sky. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, the clouds began to part. A ray of sunlight pierced through the darkness, a beacon of hope. Amelia emerged from the storm, battered but unbroken. Her heart soared with the triumph of survival, a victory